So we have here a water clock in Copenhagen. What shopping centre is this? Which is RUDRVERE or something, and I'll spell it out in the thing. And this clock is just about to switch from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So we now have 2 hours and 60 minutes, and it's just about to toggle. This is so exciting. There's a top left. Oh, here we go. It's going down. I can't even absorb what's happening here right now. The minutes are going down. The hours going up. I'm holding this as still as I can, so I can review it afterwards. If you can explain to me, please, how this works, that would be brilliant. So that it's going from 2 to 3 on the left. You've still got the seconds tick-tocking on the top left. Now there's a bar at the very top, just under the bright light at the very top. There's a horizontal bar which siphons the water down from the bottom sphere, which is currently filling up. Shortly after, I don't know at what point, that then siphons back up to the top. I've seen it siphoning up to the top, and I haven't worked out how it does that. So please explain this to me. It's absolutely fascinating. Every time that it's still going down, the bottom sphere is, and that's going through. Oh my goodness! This is like a science mathematics clock. It's the ultimate in science mathematics. And I'm saying science, it's mathematics. It's mathematics. Oh my goodness! Right, the seconds are now down to.
It's 3 o'clock.
And it's 3 o'clock, and now that tube is now empty. Is anything dramatic now going to happen, or is it all just going to settle down until the sphere at the bottom starts siphoning again? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm moving the camera because I'm looking at the clock, not at the camera, because I'm intrigued. I'm hoping that any second now the bottom sphere is going to start siphoning up to the top again as it did before, but I'm not quite sure how that happens. How does that science work that the bottom sphere, there's a tube that goes right down to the bottom, if you can see it. I'll probably take some stills so that you can look at close-ups alongside this video, because there's a tube that goes to the bottom of the sphere at the bottom, at the base of the pendulum, and the pendulum does have a function. There it goes! It's siphoning up. Can you see? Siphoning up from that central tube, and you can see it globbing up to the top. I'm going to just have to move the camera a bit. Siphoning up from the bottom, and it's globbling. Oh, it's actually a little fountain at the top there. Can you see it?
No, it's 2
coming
minutes
up.
past 3.
And now it's 2 minutes. It's coming up to 2 minutes past 3. 3:02. Thank you, Liz. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. I want one. I want one. Okay, I am so who do I need to ask about this? I'm going to ask everybody about this. This is amazing. Oh, and it's done with the siphoning now. Siphoning is not happening anymore. That tube is now empty. I need to know how this works. Please tell me how this works. Thank you. That is okay. I'm going to turn the camera around now. Sorry about this. Caroline Easley from Copenhagen signing out. Now I've got to send it back to the clock and figure out how to switch it off. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and happy clock watching.